The high annual cost of watering and maintaining a natural lawn is one of the first issues that arise when choosing this option. In addition, the natural grass is not very ecological and not at all friendly with the serious global water situation that the planet is suffering from. We must even consider how difficult it can be to maintain a natural lawn in areas with high levels of rainfall, or in climates where it snows heavily during winter months. Consider, not only is artificial grass stunningly beautiful, but it's also environmentally friendly, safe for pets and children, and does not need watering or mowing. With our artificial grass, you don't need to worry about any of these issues anymore. The artificial grass for sale in California can solve all these problems for you. Contact us and get a free sample.